Hello everybody watching this video. My name is Iron Show TV and today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasures Part 4. So guys, these are the materials that I have today, and actually I was playing a little bit, so I have more blocks and stuff than in the last video, so yeah, but that's okay. So let's get started building. So you know what I want to build, like something original. Yeah, so today I want to complete a quest. Yeah, a quest. And yeah, I don't think if we can do it, but I know that we will do it, and we will complete. Yeah, we will complete the many times I forget what I have to say, but that's okay. Okay, let's start building. But first, I don't want to complete the quest. First, I want to just build and get some money. So I can get more blocks for the quest. Yeah, for the quest. Okay, let's build like a little block, and we will go inside that block. Okay, let's go on first phase. Let's put a chair. And let's sit on that chair and let's go. Yeah! Let's launch it. It looks like an elevator with a window and a chair with rusty metal and wood. Look, somebody is completing a quest. And somebody also is completing a quest. And I will also complete a quest. I didn't know that other people are also doing quests. But yeah, never mind. Okay, everything is going fine. Yes, it's fine. Oh my god. Okay, this is just fine. Let's go at first base. God damn it. Many times I like to be quiet. So yeah, I will just be quiet. Never mind. I won't. Okay, so I won't stop speaking. Well, almost will not stop speaking. Okay, so much of the front bumper of the boat is destroyed, but we are going fine. Let's see how it's going. Not that bad. Not on the front side. Now on the back side also. Wow. Rocks, rocks, rocks. Boring. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, we are gonna hit a gear. Hi. No highs, just buys. It's just a joke. A sarcastic joke. Okay, now there is a hole in the wall. There's actually a game hole in the wall, and one time I will play it, guys. But there is no time for hole in the lava. Play hole in the lava, yes. Oh, now I have a window. Pretty cool. I have like a lot of windows. The biggest window is on the front bumper, but I'm looking at the back. Yeah. Okay, this is Candyland. Yay, Candyland. Full of candy. Everything is awesome. Okay, everything is going fine. The chair, good that the chair is not destroyed because the chair is useless. You can use it. It can help you not die really fast. Oh God. Oh, here goes the jungles. In the jungles, the mighty jungles, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungles, the mighty jungles, I just slept off tonight. The song is the lion sleeps tonight. I really love that song. And now we're upside down and there's somebody's boat traveling through the river. I think this is a river. I have good stuff. Ooh, he has good stuff. It's good. Then I will say if I can join their team. If they have some cool stuff. You can join. You can join mine. Where am I? Nowhere. I'm in an adventure. Yes. Traveling through a river with the rocks, and the rocks destroy my boat. I really wanted to go on that boat. It's really cool. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I died. Hey, 45 gold. That's really good. Okay. Stop, please stop. Oh, dude. Hi, dude. How are you going? Hi. She looks like a woman and a boy. She is a woman. Okay, what we're gonna do? What are we gonna do, man? What are we gonna do, man? What? Oh, I have a great. Oh, like I was saying, I want to build a platform. let's build a platform, dude. I will make my platform to. There will be no seats. What? What the heck? Dude, what are you doing? Dude, what did you do? Okay, I don't care. Yeah, he took that. Come on, come on. Yes. Ooh. Let's get out my team. I don't want. Oh, I'm launching the boat. But there's no boat. What the heck? He trolled me. It's crazy. Okay, let's reset. Okay, let's open some chests. Okay. Okay, this is what we have. 4 wool, 2 wooden blocks, 1 seat or chair, 5 of metal, 2 glass, 1 steering wheel. Okay guys, I'll be back when I will build the bathroom. Okay, I'll come back. Okay guys, I'm back and I already had built this cool platform. Okay, do you like it? I like it. Okay, so let's launch our boat. Wow. Okay, so we don't need to jump, but we will follow the of this platform. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how much we can survive on this platform. We will see that. Oh, Hyper, I don't want him. Sorry, Hyper, but I don't want you in my team. I can be lonely and I can be fine. Fine. You get it, guys? Fine. Okay. Here goes. Hyper, stop. You already know that I don't want you in the team. Okay, there it goes. There goes the first destroyed blocks. We're going really nice. Yes, take that. Rocks. Okay, first stage was nothing, but then the boat will be more destroyed and destroyed until I will die. And the platform will die. What? What the heck? I didn't do nothing. Okay guys, it's time to complete the quest. First, let's open some chests. Okay. Okay. 2 of these. There we go. Okay, now let's go to quests. Let's complete the ramp. Okay. Let's go. Okay, I know what to do. I have an idea. Okay, so we have to use some butter. Some of this butter. Cold. Okay. Then we go there and build a boat. A little boat. Okay, I think that will go. And a sit. So the thing that we have to do is there this butter and wait a minute guys, there was something that failed. Okay, let's have the butter again, butter. Okay, now let's build wooden. I hope this will work. Wait a minute. Can I like push it? No, I can't push it. What if I just... No, nothing will happen. No! Gosh. Okay, guys, let's do it again. Well, I'm laggy. Oh, no more. Okay, now I know what to do. And I hope it will work. Oh my god, I'm so laggy. Okay, no more. Ah! Stop being so laggy. I'm almost there. Yes, I'm almost there. Okay, a little bit more, and I'm already at the top. Come on. Come on. Yes, finally. Okay. First we have to put a... Wait, first we have to put the butter. I think that first we have to put the butter, but then I knew that first we have to put the water. Ah, okay. This has to work. Total, if it won't go. Okay, now let's... We have to go. Come on. Come on. It has to work. Come on. What? What the heck? And I did it? No. Oh my god, that doesn't work. It had to work. Oh man. Now to climb again. That's not so laggy. What if I just build a stair at the edge? Oh my god, that doesn't work. Okay, let's do another. Let's do another one. Another quest. I hope target will work. I think I know what to do in this one. Okay. So the thing is that we have to build a tower to the top. So let's get started. Okay. Everything is going good. Going really high. Okay, now glass. Wait. We're almost there. Good. And this. Okay. Okay, I'm almost there. I have to do even higher. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? That's amazing, okay. Let's build higher and higher and higher. What? Why did the lava turn into grass? I don't know. Okay, never mind. We're going higher and higher. Whoa, 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 what is happening? What is happening? Oh no. Something really bad. What about if I do this? Oh no. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it. We can do it. And let's go like this. No! Not this again. Don't tell me that again. Guys, I will be back when I will get to the top. Okay guys, we are already here. I can build more, so let's do this. No, 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 no! Guys, the plan didn't work. Guys, we are doing this all great of the challenge of a platform and try and complete quests. But nothing of this happened like I was thinking. Okay, so guys, I'm ending this video right here. So please like the video, click the bell so you won't miss my next video, and subscribe to my channel. Also comment what do you think about this video. Okay, bye.